This is a great way to incentivize reviews. So you want to get reviews on your site. And what this does is a service called Digital Humanity that allows you to plant a tree over their API, which is pretty cool. And the website is here. You can pull that up. Reforestation as a service. Pretty cool. And yeah, so in this case, I'm using Judge Me, which is the reviews app that we're using in this workflow. But we've got a lot of, if you go over to the apps section on the site, you can see all the different apps we have for reviews. And if you're on another app other than this and you're interested, let us know. We can probably hook that up for you. The workflow is real simple. You're triggering on review created, and then the action here is to plant a tree. You're going to want to plug in your account there, and then you can pick from a project. So, they have lots of specific projects, and you can also just select where they're needed most, plug in the email address for the end user, and then the number of trees that you want to do. So this is a great way to encourage people to do a review. Now this costs, I believe, about $1 per tree. A review is probably worth a lot more than that to you. So you're hitting two birds with one stone here, and feel free to check that out and install it. You can install again over here on the blog in the automation demos. You can go ahead and download that workflow and install it. Hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.